from Yingyee Machinery. Today I will introduce you one new product in our machine, in our company. You can see the samples in my hand. Today I will introduce you for the electric box production line. Electric box production line, and you can see the samples in my hand. Here are three kinds of box you can choose. These three kinds of products. The product is very famous in South American countries. These three kinds of products are very famous in South American countries. I will introduce these three kinds of production line step by step. First, I will introduce this one first. This one we named 2-inch multiplied by 3-inch electric box. For the thickness of this product is 0.9 to 1.4 millimeter. And you can see this box is very different with this one. You can see the bottom. Here it's straight. Not have any arcs and angles. But you can see this one. This one is not very straight. Here are some arcs. And it's round angle, but it's not straight angle. These are the difference of these two kinds of products. Okay, let's start from this one. You can see this one. Here the angles is straight, and this one is combined with two parts. You can see this part from the left side to the right side. They are the one part. From the left part, bottom, and the right part, they are together in one part. And you can also see this side, and this side. They are separately, and then these three sides will be combined together. Here are screws will be combined these three parts together. Okay, I will introduce how to make these kinds of products. First, as before, I already explained for the angles. This is round angle. This is right angle, not round angle. So we can do this. We can do this one by automatic mode. That means we can do the mode step by step, automatically. And we need first use one. And you can see from the pictures, first we will use one collier and leveling machine together part. Will be make the material come into the punching part. First we will be do this one. This one. You can see in my hand. This one. From here, and here. We will do this part first, and then we will change the mode to do this part, and this part. This is for it needs two punching mode, to punch this part and this part. So we need one decollier and the leveling part. Then we need the saw motor with punching machine to punch with two set of punching mode to punch the two parts of this product. This is the machine for making this products. This one is very different with these two kinds of products. So I will introduce these two kinds of products together. Okay, this one, let me conclude again. We need one decollier and leveling part. We need one decollier and leveling part. Then we need a saw motor and a punching machine with two sets of punching mode to make this product. And after finish this part, we need the workers to combine these three parts together. Then it will be a finished product. This is for one box. This is this one box. And after finish this one box, I will explain another two boxes. You can see here are another two boxes. This one we named octagonal box. This one we named octagonal box, and this one we named 2-inch multiplied by 4-inch box. 4-inch box small, and this one is big. You can combine. We can combine like this. You can see one is bigger and another is smaller. So I will introduce this bigger one. How to make the strange punch. I will introduce step by step, and how to make these two box automatically. Okay, let's see a video first. Okay, you can see in the video it is making this kind of box. You can see here is one punching machine. It's making this one. After the material come out of the machine, it is already finished punching. At first, you can see this box. It looks very complicated. But you can see in the video, it's very easier to make this box come out from the machine, and very automatic. Okay, I will introduce you how to make this product very easier and automatically. Okay, let's see the technical process photos. You can see from here. We also use the punching machine to make this product, but you can see from the video, our machine speed is very fast. But how to realize the speed very fast? That's the advantage of this machine is for the mechanical arms. You can see our videos, and here are many mechanical arms in our video. It will be instead of workers to put each part of punching into another part of punching. So it will help us to save more labors, and it will also improve the production to make this box. Okay, you can see from the start. It's one decollier and leveling part to make the material come into the punching machine. And from the machine, you can see this yellow part. Here is one saw motor. The saw motor will be pour the material step by step come into the machine, come into the punching part. Here are three sets of punching machines. You can see from the technical process. Here are three sets of punching machines, and the punching machine also including the punching mode. First, for the first part， 看另外一张这个流程图，这有一个吗？这有一个流程图是吗？这个没有，看，这是这个。 Okay. I will explain one step by step. First, you can see this punching part. This first one, because you can see the angle. The angle here is not right. It's not very sharp. It's round. It's round. So we need one punching mode to make the straight part, to make the material be strange. Then it will be punch the shapes. After punch the strange, and you can see here is one transport table. Yes, here is one transport table after the first punching machine. After the first punching, here will be a transport table. Will be transport the punching product to the second punching machine. The second punching machine to make which kinds of products. It will be punch the second step. It will be punch the bottom hose. And you also can see our mechanical arms. It starts from the second punching machine. It start from the second punching machine. And it will be here will be some mode to punch each step for the hose, for the bottom hose and the side hose and trimming the edge. And the second one is using for punching the bottom hose and the side hose. After the second punching, then it will be go into another transport table. You can see here. Here is the second transport table. It will be help to transport the products to the third punching machine. The third punching machine will be trimming and punching, also punching for the top hose. And you can see the each step difference from the video. Later we will see the video. First, we see this first. After the third punching, you can see here is one. Here is one taping machine. Here is one taping and screw machine. And what's the taping machine? You can see for these two kinds of products, here are some screws. The taping machine will be help you to make the screw into the products. So when the material come to the machine and the taping machine, after the final product, you will receive a samples. You will receive a final product with screw. And so here the final part is another table. This table is to collect the products. For the difference, these two kinds of products, they are for the mode. The mode are different, but the shapes are also different. So for the punching machine, for these two kinds of products, the punching machine no need to change. You can only change the punching mode. Then you can realize one production line to make these two kinds of products. This is for these two kinds of products. Okay, let's see the video. See more clear how to make these two kinds of products. Okay, you can see here is our mechanical arm. It will be instead of workers will be you to put the product into another function machine. This is the third function machine. It is counting the final product for the last one. And you can see this blue one, this green one. It is taking and screw. And here is the collection table for the worker collect the electric box. And here are some workers who put the cover into the electric box. Okay, let's see another video. This video is to make this kind of product. And you can see the video. Here is our mechanic arms. It's helping to bring the product to another punching, and then it will be receiving the material. This one product is very automatically. It's all automatically to do. And it's also suitable for other products needed to punch. Okay, today I just already finished my introduction for this 3 kinds of electric box. Okay, let me complete today what I introduced. I introduced the 3 kinds of electric box. First is this one. This one we need one decollier with leveling part and saw motor, and one punching machine with 2 sets of punching mode. And this one, we need one decollier and leveling machine, and also need 3 sets of punching machine with 2 different sets of punching mode to make this one and this one. And also have 3 collection tables to receive the material and transport the material. It's very automatically machine, and will be helping you save more labor. Okay, today's my introduction is finished. Let my next colleague introduce you more information. See you next time. Bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Olivia from Yingyee Machinery. Today I will introduce our electrical box reforming machine. Let's look at the sample. There has 3 types of electric box. Let's look at this type first. This type is separate is not together. It has three parts. This parts and these two parts is separate. It's combined with together. The bottom line is need one punching mode, and this two parts need another punching mode. So if you want to do this type electric box, you need two different sets punching mode. One punching mode to do this bottom line, and another punching mode to do this left and right side. The whole line you need a decoiler and leveling part. Let's look at a picture. This is a 2-tone decoiler with leveling part. It's the machine. It's combined decoiler and leveling device together, so it can save space and use very convenient. The yellow part, we can see the yellow part is the decoiler. We can loading the coil, it can loading the coil, and this part, we can see this part is the leveling part. It has 11 rollers, 5 up and 6 down rollers to leveling the material, make the material straight, come into the punching device. Okay. Then after the decoiler with leveling part, we need a punching machine. If we do this type electric box, we need one punching machine with two sets punching mode. It's very easy. It's very easy to do this type. And if we do these two types, you can look at the sample. Besides the decoiler with the leveling part, we need a punching machine. The punching machine has 3 sets punching device. Okay, this is the punching machine. We can do this. This is the first punching device. This part to do this, the bottom make the material have this tab, and then the second device is punching the hole of the bottom set and the two sets, and the third punching device has the electric box, and then this is a collection table, automatic collection. We can look at this video between the three sets punching device. It has a delivery table, make the product step by step, come into the punching device step by step, and it also has mechanic arm. It makes the whole lab very automatically. No need workers to make put the product into next function device. The workers just need make the material just collect the electric box is enough. So it's automatic lab. Okay, let's look at this three function mode, three function device one by one. Okay, let's look at the flowchart of this line. First is the decoiler with leveling part. We can see this part is the decoiler with leveling part. It makes the material straight into the punching device, and we can see this is the first punching machine. This part is make the, you can look at this, make the bottom side, make this side, and the second punching device is to do the holes of the bottom side and these two sides, left side and right side, to do these holes. And the third punching device is cut this part, and it make it into the finished product. And then the green parts, we can see this green part is the collective table. It collects the electric box, and these two kinds of electric. These two electric box, the shape is different, and we both can use this line to do these two types. We just need change the punching mode is enough. We can see these two types is the square types. This is the round types, but it has arcs and round angles. This type is also round angles. It's not straight angles. So we can use this line to do these two types. And if we do these types, we need one punching machine, and use two size punching mode to do the bottom side and the left and right side. The bottom side is one side punching mode, and the left and right side use one punching mode. It's just need one punching machine. But if we can do these two types electric box, we need 3 punching machines. So this is the difference. These two types is together is erective. It is the whole body, and this type is the separate, and combined with these three parts together. So this is the difference between these two types. Okay, let's look at video. Is the mechanical pumps. We can see mechanical arm. It's very automatic and the speed is very high. And the finished product drop into the collective box. This makes the production line speed is fast and save labor. Okay, today our introduction is over. I will like our colleagues to introduce to you next. Continue. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, dear friends. My name is Maxim from Yingyee Machinery, and today I would like to introduce you the electric box production line. Okay, here you can see there are three samples in my hands. They are different, right? Here are three different samples in my hand. They are all used as the electrical box, and they will be placed into the wall, and there will be some switches or some buttons placed on into it. And this kind of electrical box is very popular in some South Africa or North American countries and some other Europe countries. So today I would like to introduce you how to produce such kind of electric box. Actually, here are three samples in my hand, but they are made by two production lines. Okay, the first one is this one. As you can see, this one is combined and connected with three parts, with three pieces. This is the first piece, and this is the second piece. And from this side to the bottom and to this side, this is the third piece. So, this one whole electric box is made by three pieces. Actually, this side and this side, they are punched by a seam punching mold. And this whole piece is punched by another punching mold. So, to produce this electric box, then you just need one punching machine and two punching molds. Then you can receive such kind of electric box. Okay, let's see a video to show how to produce it. Okay, as you can see, the punching machine is working punch step by step, and it is also cooperative with a mechanical arm to hold each piece, turn around and turn to the punching side to the punching machine, and each piece is punched automatically, and also it moves from the next step to next step also automatically by the mechanical arm. So this is a whole automatic production line for making such kind of electrical box. So it is very convenient to produce it. So this is the first type of electrical box. Okay, next we will see these types. We will see these types, how to produce it. As you can see, they are one whole piece. Is punched by a whole piece of steel strips. And then this one is also. This is whole piece without any edges, without any furs. It's just one whole steel strips. Make it. So to make such kind of electric box, it also requires a punching machine. But to produce these types electric box, we will need three punching machines, and we can see. Okay, we can see the whole production layout. It should be from right to left. The right part is the decoder with a leveling function. We can see the picture of it. Okay, as you can see, the yellow part is the decoder part. It can hold steel strips coils, and the max holding weight is about 2 or 3 tons. And next is the yellow part. The yellow part is the leveling part. It has upper 5 leveling rollers and lower 6 leveling rollers to make the steel strips straight. So this one decoder has 2 functions. The first function is holding the steel strips, and the second function is leveling function. Okay, this is the first part of the whole production line. Okay. Okay, now we can see. Now we goes to the first punching machine. The first punching machine, for example, as this. The first punching machine is to punch the bottom holes. Before punching, we need to strengthen the steel material, because as you can see, the edges is not sharp. It is very fluent and very soft. The first function is we need to stress the material into such kind of shape, right? And the second punching machine. Then after strengthening, then we punch the bottom holes. After strengthening, we punch the bottom holes. You can see here are some holes, and here are some just it is not hole. It is just a round part. It's just a round part, right? All these parts are made by the first punching machine. Okay, and also the hose, bottom hose, and also the bottom hose also punched by the second punching machine with another type of mold. As you can see, as this. Actually, they are. It's just the one is bigger and the other one is smaller, but their shapes are similar. Bottom hose, and here are also some, and the side there are some also holes on it. The side hose is by the second punching machine. The bottom hose is punched by the third punching machine. And after punching all these holes and all these parts, then it will be falling onto the belt, and then your workers will collect all the electric box and pack them. So this is a whole production line to make such kind of electric box. During the whole punching production, there is no need any laborers to work on it. It is totally and fully automatic production line. Okay, let's see a video to show it. Okay, the first part is the decoder with leveling function. And the first punching machine is to strength and punch the bottom hose. And here is a servo feeder to pull the material into the punching machine. Okay, here is the punching machine to make the side hose. The orange part is mechanical arms to hold the electrical box and turn upside down to another part and make punching step by step. And you cannot see any laborers standing there because it is a fully automatic one. And here goes to the third punching machine. It makes the bottom hose. After punching bottom hose, and it will fall down to the collecting cable. And here we need to make the bolts. We need to make the screws and bolts on it. And at the end of the production line, the laborers will pack and collect all the electrical boxes into a big box. Then you can sell all of them. So this is the automatic production line to make the electrical box. Okay. So if you are interested in this punching production line to make such kind of electrical box, then you can connect with us. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Lucas from Yingyee Machinery. Today I will introduce the electric box making machine for you. First, let's see the finished product. You can see the small box in my hand is the electric box. This box is used widely in the direction. The box is the cable is a cable head connect in the box, and you can see in this box have some holes, and it is a type box shape, big box shape, and there are some other type. This is rectangle, and this type. Okay, this is a finished product. Let's see the video. Okay, you can see this video is a process for how to produce the electric box, the junction box. Let's see this video. This video is making this box. There are a punching machine and manipulator. Manipulator is used to move the box in the line. You can see punching and move the box into the next side. This is a fully automatic production line, so you just need 1 or 2 laborers to operation this. Let's see next video. Okay, this video shows how to make the hole in the side, in the four side, how to make it, and the manipulator to move side by side, and this punching machine is to punch the holes in the bottom. And there are some conveyor. There are some conveyor to transfer the product. Okay, I will introduce next to each part of the production line. First is let's see the processing layout. The first is this part. This part is decoller with a living machine, with a living device. Let's see this picture. This picture shows the details. In the left part is a decoller. This decoller is two-ton manual decoller. This decoller is for loading the materials. To make this, the material is GI, is galvanized coils, and it is strip very its size is small. So we just need a two-ton manual decoller to load the coils, strip coils. And the next part is living. Is a living device. this living device is integrate with the decoller. Because why use the living part? Because you can see the material is thick. It's more than 1 millimeter. So we must use the living device to straight, to ensure the material is flat and straight. Okay, this is the decoller with the living part, and you can see there are some buttons. There are some buttons to start and stop the decollers, this decoller device. Okay, this is the first part, and the next part is formed by the punching machines. There are three punching machines you can see in the drawing, in the layout. The first punching machine is to make a shape. You know the material is this direction into the punching, and this is the mold to punch it, and the shape is formed. This is the first step, and the second punching is to make the holes in the four sides. The direction will change when the product into the second punching machine. The direction will be this part, this direction, and this is a punching mold, and to punch on the holes, and the manipulator, and like my hand to change the direction, to change the change and punch. So the four holes in the sides will be produced in the second punching machine, and the last, the final punching machine is to make the holes, all the holes, the small holes, and this kind of holes, to make all the holes in the final punching machine, and the direction also will change, and change from this direction to this direction, and the punching, the mold will to make the holes this direction to make. And the finished product is almost already, and the last part is to make the. You can see there are screw, and the last part is typing machine to make the holes, make the treat holes for you can put the screw in the hole. You can see this is the screw, and the hose is made by the last machine, the typing machine. Okay, this is all the processing for this machine, and the last part is the conveyor to transfer the finished product, and your laborers will packing the finished product into the box. Okay, this is all the processing. for this machine. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact me, and we will give you the offer, the best offer, and the best price for you. Okay, the next is our other college to introduce again for this machine. Thank you.
说的是说接报论词主从三类，想好说哪句，平时说完，我好的话就比如说想一下。
Hello everyone, I'm Dania from Yingyee Machinery. Today, let me introduce you our electric box reforming machine. Please see our samples in my hand. This is the finished product, the electric box. There are two samples for the different shape. Okay, please see the details. On the bottom, how many holes, and on the side, how many holes. So let us check our process of this production line. Process. Okay, please see, here is the decollier. Here is the decollier. The decollier is two tons manual decollier with leveling part. Because the material is thicker. So the decollier need a leveling part to let the material straighten and flat. This is the decollier. You can see the details. You can see the picture. Two twins decollier with this leveling part. Okay, next part is the punching machine. You can see. You can see the punching machine. Here is the server feeder. The server feeder can control the material into this part, and one time into fix the length of the material. So the feeding part, the server feeding is very important. And here is the punching machine. This punching machine lets the material straighten. And here is the conveyor belt to because the first punching machine have punched the material's shape. So this conveyor belt to transfer the product and into the second punching machine. The second punching machine is for punching these holes and the corners and the 8 corners and the trim and the egg trimming. You can see the details. You can see the details. Here's the corner. So the second machine, punching and trimming and egg trimming, and with the automatic manipulator. Later you can see in the videos the automatic manipulator transfer each one the samples, and the third punching machine to punch the small holes on the bottom, and then the samples into the conveyor belt, into the conveyor belt, and make the screen. You can see the details. Make the screen. Here is the screen. Make the screen. So this production line is automatically. When we finish produce the production into the receiving table. The receiving part is conveyor belt. So the workers can packing the productions. So this production line is is high complexity. The speed of this line is 18 pieces 1 minute. 1 minute. 18 pieces 1 minute can do 18 pieces. So it's a high complexity. Only one worker, only one labor can control this production line. Okay, let us check the videos. You can see the decollier with the labeling part, and here is the punching, the server feeder, and the punching, Okay, here is the punching part with the manipulator, automatic manipulator. You can see the each one product is moving. When finish the punch and into the next punching machine to do the next process. So here is the conveyor belt. The workers can packing this part, and this part is the screen part. When the workers get the product, this is a finished product. Okay, next video. You can see the details of the punching and the manipulator. If you want to do this project, this production line is a best control. Is the best choice. It's the best choice for you. It's a higher precision, higher complexity production line. Okay, let's check the samples again. Here is the screen. Here is the screen. We can do different codes and different shape. Okay, if you want this production lab, you can contact with our company. Okay, thanks. That's all we want to introduce.